buenos días. Soy Ruth, soy tu profesora de español y este es mi amigo Dino. We're here to give you la confianza para hablar español. So, today la clase is about how to describe un pueblo, how to describe una ciudad. A pueblo is a town, una ciudad is a city. And this vocabulario and these questions and phrases, you can apply them to so many contextos. So I give you el lenguaje and you decide how to use it. Today I'm going to give you 4 preguntas, 4 questions, 3 maneras to translate the word for is, and mucho vocabulario. Comenzamos. The first pregunta is ¿qué es? ¿Qué means what? What is it? ¿Qué es? And there's our first way to translate the word is. Es. The answer? Es una ciudad. It's a city. Es un pueblo. It's a town. Newcastle es una ciudad. Shilbottle es un pueblo, well, a village. The second pregunta is ¿dónde está? So there's our second way to translate the word is. ¿Dónde está means where is it? So está means is. ¿Dónde está? Let's get some vocabulario. Está cerca de la playa. La playa is the beach. Está en las montañas. Las montañas are the mountains. Está cerca de la frontera. La frontera is the border. Está en la selva. La selva is the jungle or the forest. Está en la selva. Okay, now you can say where it is. ¿Dónde está? The next pregunta is what is there? And that is ¿qué hay? So there's our third way to translate the word is. When we're saying what is there or what are there, we use hay. ¿Qué hay? Now, if we're going to say as well, we use the word también. So, hay restaurantes y hay vistas bonitas también. Vistas bonitas are beautiful views. Hay restaurantes y hay vistas bonitas también. If you want to say neither or agree with something negative, you use the word tampoco. So, no hay mucha gente. That means there's not a lot of people. No hay mucha gente. Y no hay mucho tráfico tampoco. So that's saying what there isn't. Finalmente, la cuarta pregunta, we're going back to another word for is, which is es. ¿Cómo es? And that means what's it like? Now we're going to get on to some adjectives to describir el pueblo or la ciudad. ¿Cómo es? Es grande, it's big. Es pequeño, it's small. You need to learn this vocabulario if you don't already know it. So make a note. Es grande, es pequeño. Es viejo. Viejo means it's old. Es viejo. Es moderno or nuevo. It's modern or new. Y, what else could we say? Es tranquilo. It's quiet. Es muy bonito. It's very nice, very pretty. Now you need to practicar tu español to get that confianza. So in terms of writing, you could write a postcard. Pretend that you are de vacaciones. Choose a town and write to me. Hola Ruth, estoy en Oxapampa. Está en las montañas. Es un pueblo grande. Hay vistas muy bonitas y hay una discoteca también. No hay muchos turistas y no hay mucho tráfico tampoco. You could write something like that to me. In terms of reading, recomiendo mi libro. I think it's a really great place to start reading Español because I use Spanglish. It just makes it so accessible. So chapter 62, chapter 65, they're all about describing a town. But I'd say read the whole thing, it's great. Even if I do say so myself. I also think that you should escribir at least 4 sentences that you would like to remember, maybe from my video. You could note them down in something like Dan's lovely learning journal, which I'm going to start using, and I'm going to make a video about using that shortly. And also, finalmente, last sentence for today, ponte a prueba. That means test yourself. So when you've noted down your sentences, when you've noted down el vocabulario, when you've noted down las preguntas and the different ways to say is in Español, ponte a prueba. Make sure you can do it without los libros, without las notas. Know what you've learned and learn what you've learned. Y nos vemos aquí muy pronto por un poco más de español. Muchas gracias for being with me. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you did, give me a little like, subscribe to the channel, por favor, y adiós. Nos vemos pronto. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.